Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Antique Vintage Stalls and More. And today we were just about ready to start to go out the door, and we're just getting ready here, and the doorbell rang, and in came two boxes. I knew they were on their way to me, but I just didn't think just today. I was thinking actually a couple more days from now they'll be here. Today is a great day for it to happen. It's a wonderful day. I hope everybody should be getting time and a half for it. If you're working, your flag should be raised to the highest that they can go.
Declared a national holiday.
Yes, and this day is very special. It's wonderful because it's the day I was born.
Yay!
I just turned 57 today, but anyhow, as that may be, nice to get a couple boxes in. That's why we were going out, because we're going out to eat. But anyways, let's see. I know what this is. This, if you go back to my a few videos back, I got a doll in that. I was expecting that the head would be broke apart and everything. When I opened up the box, it was a different doll. So I worked it out with the gentleman, and this is now the correct doll. So let's open it up. And I have another box sitting here too. I've already pre-opened them up. So let's open them up. And I kind of took a peek already at this one just to make sure I'm on track this time with it. And I am. I didn't open the doll per se, just the box. So here's the doll. And she's tiny too. I thought she was going to be bigger. Maybe because she's all folded up. Let's just see. Oh, she is tiny. She's a tiny little thing. So she's just by the size of her head. That she's just a little thing. You know, so... But anyways, I thought she was cute. She needs some work done to her. Oh, she's got cloth legs. Yay, because you don't have to restore those. Always a plus. I get excited about, about that. You know, I like the composition legs too. Don't get me wrong here. Oh, yes. And she's in her original, this is her. She's in her original clothes. I think her bonnet's on backwards. Let's turn that around. So this is her original bonnet, her original little dress. Oh, isn't she a sweet little face? There's her eyes. Let me get my glasses on so I can see her. Oh, yeah, this is her. So this, I'm taking this all as her original anyways. I'm going to. Because it fits her so well. It looks like it is hers. And if it isn't, it's beautiful all the same. Wow, what a nice little doll. Now, she's an unmarked little baby. I kind of thought so because he had put on there that it was an ideal doll, but it doesn't matter because that was for the other doll. So anyways, this is her, and yes, there's her head. See that there? She's broke. So she's going to have to, once I take her head off, I imagine it's just going to come in half. And then what we're going to do is, we're going to take the paint off her head. We're going to put this back together again. And but all her paint will be coming off. It has to. But she's an oldie. She's not, I would say at least the 20s. The 1920s there. Early 30s if anything. But oh, look at the nice molded hair at the front here. Look at all those curls. Oh, she's going to be gorgeous when she's done. A beautiful little baby. Oh yeah, she's gorgeous. And she's an oldie.
The eyes are in really nice
Oh,
shape.
her eyes are beautiful. Just beautiful.
Let me zoom in on
Yeah.
that. Don't have to do much to the eyes.
No, they need to be raised in more. But the eyes itself are in great shape. But I can see where the eye's not sitting in there right. It could be because this is cracked in here too just as well. But she's totally fixable. Oh, she's going to...
We have the technology.
Yeah, there we go. But anyways, beautiful, beautiful. So we're going to just set her right to the side here because I have something else here. I'm going to get this book. I don't want newspaper on it. There we go. Let's get this off to the side. All right. Let's take her, and we're just going to put her off to the side. Now,
and look, she closes her eyes when you lay her down.
Oh, yeah, she's a sleep-eye doll.
Oh.
Yeah, she's got rockabye eyes. Now, I brought out Rupert here. Rupert has been very lonely. Even though he's in the doll room with all the dolls, he causes some problems with the Cupid girl. You know, because those two get together now, I got monkey troubles going on. I got a naughty little Cupid, and I got a monkey problems going on. So I thought maybe to settle the spirit down of his, that maybe if he could get a friend. And this friend, I'm going to hope doesn't double my monkey trouble, but will give him somebody to play with. So I might be asking for trouble. And I've already named this little gaffer. His name is Jeffery. So we have Rupert and Jeffrey. So let's bring out Jeffrey. He's an old guy too. And, but I think Jeffrey needs a friend as well. So let's take a look at Jeffrey. And let's introduce him. But see, Jeffrey's a little bit bigger. Or maybe close to the same size, but Jeffrey needs some stuffing too. Jeffrey's kind of like lost his stuffing. It's way down low, so I might have to open him up and give him some, oh my goodness, look at here. Can you two be friends? Oh, he's bowing to him. You know, but Jeffrey needs some stuffing. He's kind of squishy, too squishy for this girl. So open up the back here. He's got a little hole already, and I'm going to stuff some stuffing in there. Let's see if we can get him a little bit standing up here. But you know what? I can see friendship coming here. Look at this. Look at the friendship coming. And let's take a look at that face. Now, he's got the bigger face. He's called Sleepy Time, I think it is. He's got a name, I thought. Yeah, he's called Sleepyhead. Yeah, so, you know, if he's a little bit more sedated, that might bring Rupert down a few pegs there. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think, if this is going to work or not. If I bring another monkey in, am I asking for it? Or, you know, look at that now. Aren't they a pair? You know, I think they could become great friends. I don't know. Sleepyhead might be going nodding off.
Or Rupert might turn Sleepyhead into a troublemaker. Might wake him up and have him bouncing off the walls.
Yeah, we'll have to wait and see what happens here. So the story hasn't been told yet, so we'll just have to wait on that. So what we'll do is we'll get Sleepyhead here, Jeffrey. We'll get him some stuffing in him and get him looking a little bit better, and we'll see what happens. But right now, they're best buds. Two boys going to be going outside to do some playing in a little while. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this, and the right dog came in now, and I just love her. Oh, she's going to be a wonderful. Now she won't be worked on right away. I got some other projects right now that I want to work on. She's what we call down the road type of doll, but she's up there. I'm just working on big babies right now, and then I want to come to my smaller dolls, and she's in that category, what I would call smaller compared to my great big 25-inch babies, you know, that I love working on. But anyway, so there we go. There's the clan. So Jeffrey and Rupert and the new doll. So hope you enjoy. Have a great day, and we're going to go out and start our day. Go have some birthday fun. Bye-bye.
Thank you for joining us.